Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is going to be part time and flexible schedule, so you can work it around another job. We're going to dive all in, but real quickly before we do, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. Generally, during the week, I share anywhere from 3 to 5 work from home job leads. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. Now, today's job lead is from the company Pathrise. As always, I always suggest you do your own research. Pathrise only has 54 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews that they do come very highly rated with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. And of course, the links to all the pages I share are in the YouTube description box below this video. But Pathrise is hiring a profile specialist. This is part-time and going to be a 1099 independent contractor role. They are paying very well. But you're basically going to be reviewing resumes and LinkedIn profiles. So if you've gotten good at doing your resume, then you might be just the perfect fit for this position. But they're looking for profile specialists to support their pro fellows by reviewing resumes and LinkedIns, working with their career mentors to give any necessary context, and develop effective resumes and LinkedIn updates aimed at increasing the fellows' likelihood of passing through the ATS and recruiting screening process. So you're basically going to be helping people with their resumes. You'll complete the resume, LinkedIn, and profile updates in an alignment with the career mentors by the requested deadline. You will respond to communications from other Pathrise staff within 2 business days of receiving them in a professional and respectful manner. They're looking for someone to be available 10 to 20 hours a week and work cross-functionally with specialists and full-time career mentors. Now, if you are interested in this position, no college degree is required. They would like somebody who has 3 years of experience in resume writing or profile optimization, someone again who is available 10 to 20 hours a week, someone who can use different technical platforms like Google Suite, Notion, Asana, or learn different software programs quickly. Now, other than having flexible working hours and being 100% remote, they are paying $30 to $40 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.